Y'all, I need my mohawk cut. Like, this all supposed to be shaved. All this supposed to be shaved. I'm gonna go and get a cut because it's only $10. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So anywho, we are here for a makeup tutorial. I have the new NK makeup, this brand right here. It also stands for something else. What is her full name? Oh, Nicka. Nicka K, New York. This is, you can find this in your local beauty supply store. I reviewed the other palette. Where is it? I reviewed this palette the other day. It's also in my it's on my channel. I will have it linked right there if you want to see the tutorial for this. But today we're going to be doing the tutorial on this baby right here. So I just got to open her because they duct tape the whole thing. Oh, this is a new beauty supply store I've been going to. And they kind of different over there. They duct tape everything. I guess their clientele open stuff and don't buy it. I don't know. I recently went to I was going to this other beauty supply store that's more, I would say, upscale, but I didn't like the sign that they had up. They were telling customers it was 7 rules with the coronavirus, but for some reason one of the rules was stating to don't come in here with an attitude. And I kind of took offense to that because to me that's very unprofessional to have that listed on your business, saying to don't have an attitude. I'm never going to tell my clientele how to act if they are a paying customer. And to me, it's a slap in the face to clients and to customers who do not have an attitude. And to me, I feel like you're putting people in a box when you have certain signs up, and you also lower the value of your establishment by having such signs like that posted on the front door for every customer to see. So I decided at that point that I am not going to be going to that beauty supply store anymore, because I'm not about to accept disrespect from establishment that I'm spending my money on. I don't think so. I'm not that type of person. Try somebody else with that. But anywho, I'm going to another beauty supply store. They don't have signs posted like that. They actually have people of color working in their facility. So yeah, I'm just gonna shop there. So this is the palette. It was $4.99. It's a beauty supply store. I never saw this outside of the beauty supply store. So if you want to see how this look is going to turn out, keep on watching. And also, if you're new to the channel, hope you like what you see. Join the family. And to my new returning subscribers and my day ones, thank you so much for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you guys continue to rock with me. All right, let's jump into it. Okay, y'all, so I have my eyes primed. I'm using the P. Louise eye base. I have it in the shade Rumor 0.5. This right here is such a necessity to your makeup collection. It's on and popping, like, for real. So I want to hold this palette up. Since I took the plastic off, I'm not sure if I showed it to you guys with the plastic off, but I want to show this palette again. I want to hold it so you guys can get a clear drift of what you're going to purchase if you want to purchase this, you know, at your local beauty supply store. So let's do this shade right here. We're gonna do this shade right here. I hope this turn out cute, y'all. Ooh, this is cute. What just happened? Did I just dip into the... Okay, let me focus on doing this, and then I'll talk to you guys, because I just dipped into the blue, and these are pigmented, so yeah, let me focus. So I'm gonna go in and blend this out. Normally I just add the second color, but I'm gonna try something different and hopefully this will work. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I'm gonna put this on top. I should have primed a little bit more higher than normal, but this is something I just thought of doing. So we're gonna see. This is very pigmented, y'all. Very pigmented. Very pigmented. Next, you're gonna see me blend everything. I'm gonna go back with both shades, blend, and go back with the other one and blend until it's like a gradient, nice effect to it. All right, so I got my eyes done, popping, lacking. This is cute, y'all. I really been sleeping on this brand. This brand is nice. It's another brand, I think it's by Ruby Kisses. They have some eyeshadows. I literally have, let me get them for y'all, but they literally like stacked underneath everything. So I gotta take off a lot of, hold on. This is not Ruby Kisses. This is all the same brand. I have these and I never use them. And I just bought them because they were cute. And my silly self been missing out on all this gorgeousness. I got all these brand new. Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna use these in upcoming looks. I don't really get a lot of views for my makeup tutorials and whatnot, but I like doing them, so I'm going to continue to do them because yeah, that's what I like to do besides wig reviews. So yeah, this lavender is speaking to me, and so is the silver. So I think I'm going to do silver and lavender. Next, I'm just going in with a matte pale shade just so I can dry the eye base faster so I can apply the eyeshadow, which is the silver and the lavender color. So I'm going to go back in with this shade right here, and I just want to kind of blend. I'm not going to like go over, I'm just going to tap on it. How'd it look, y'all? Looks pretty good. All right, so I have my lashes on. I will have a link for these. I believe I got these from Amazon. So check the description box if you're interested in these lashes. They are on and popping. They are so cute. So this is how the eye look is looking right now. Next, I'm going to do my face. All right, y'all, so I finished this look. I hope you guys like it. This is how it's looking. Popping. So I really do like this eyeshadow palette. I don't recall having any fallout. You guys will have to watch the full video to see if I had any fallout, but I don't remember having any fallout. I did put some eyeliner underneath my eyes, and I also used the shades that I use in my eyebrows. Not my eyebrows, but on my lids. I use it at the bottom, so I used the blue and that purple. I think it's like a burgundy shade almost. It looks burgundy to me. It's like, yeah, it looks burgundy. So I use that right here, and then I also use mascara And I really like how this look turned out, y'all. This is really, really nice. I am going to start dipping it into my other eyeshadow palettes that I got because I'm very impressed with this. And then this is my new hair. I had replaced the 4x4 closure off of this, and I also added highlights. This wig was originally black, and I added my own highlights to it. Cute, y'all. It's so cute. I really, really like it. I forgot to bleach the knots, but I did tint the lace, and I did add powder. So when it is time for me to want to wash this again, that's when I'll go in and, you know, bleach the knots. But this hair is so cute. It's already like, you know, cut and whatnot. Cute. It is so cute. So yeah. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I'm glad that you guys made it to the end. I really appreciate it. So I will see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.